Wait lang mga preng, bago ka mag-scroll, I want to ask you something serious. Kung bibili ka ng motor today, gusto mo ba yung pang-pangarap lang? Or yung motor na kahit saan ka dadalhin ng buhay mo, sasabay siya? Because right now mga preng, adventure bikes are silently taking over Philippine roads. And most riders don't even realize why. Mga preng, by the end of this video, you'll know kung street bike ka ba or ADV rider ka talaga kahit hindi mo pa alam ngayon. So let's be honest mga preng, most of us didn't buy motorcycle because we love specs. We bought it because of freedom. Freedom sa traffic, freedom sa oras, freedom sa gastos. Pero here's the problem mga preng. Philippine roads, hindi sila ginawa para sa perfection. Lubak dito, baha doon, biglang construction, biglang rough road, biglang uy may shortcut daw dito. Tapos parang trail na pala. And that's where adventure and dual sports bike enter the picture. Globally, adventure bikes are already dominating sales. But in the Philippines mga preng, mas mabilis ang growth. Bakit? Because ADV bikes are built for real life, not perfect road. Long suspension, higher ground clearance, comfortable upright riding position, bigger wheels, mas forgiving sa mistake. Hindi ka kinakabahan sa humps, hindi ka natataranta sa lubak, hindi ka umiiyak pag umuulan. Mga preng, ADV bikes don't ask, maganda ba ang kalsada? They ask, saan tayo pupunta? So let's be very clear lang mga preng, straight bikes are amazing talaga. They are fast, they are stylish, they are sharp, but they are road dependent mga preng. ADV bikes, they are road independent. Straight bike mindset mga preng, sana okay ang daan. ADV bike mindset, kahit hindi okay, tuloy pa rin. And psychologically, that changes how you ride. Mga preng, this is important. ADV bikes are not just for off-road riders. Hindi rin sila pang bundok lang. Hindi rin pang hardcore. ADV bikes are for people na gusto ang long ride, weekend escape, comfort over ego, at syempre yung reliability over flex, and a bike that grows with them. ADV riders don't rush mga preng, they arrive. And once you ride ADV for a while, it's very hard na mga preng to go back. Now preng, I'm not here to tell you what to buy, but for Philippine roads, these are the sweet spots. Small to mid displacement ADV bikes, perfect balance, enough power for highway, light enough for city, tough enough for province ride. Mga preng, you don't need 1000cc. You need confidence. Kasi confidence na kahit may rough road, kahit may ulan, kahit may unexpected turns, hindi ka titigil. Imagine this mga preng ha, Friday night, pagod ka sa trabaho, pagod ka sa mundo, Saturday morning, helmet on, engine start, walang rush, walang destination pressure. Maybe you end up sa coastal road, maybe sa bundok, maybe sa lugar na di mo pa napupuntahan. Mga preng, that's the ADV lifestyle. Hindi siya tungkol sa speed. It's all about story. Preng, mark this. In the next few years, ADV and dual sport bikes will become default choices. Bakit? Because riders are getting smarter. They want versatility, they want comfort, they want value, and ADV bikes deliver all that. So now, let me ask you, preng, if tomorrow, mawala lahat ng perfect roads, would your bike still take you where you want to go? Mga preng, if yes ang sagot mo, you're already an ADV rider. And if not, maybe it's time to rethink. Comment below mga preng kung street or adventure and bakit. And preng, if this video made sense to you, share it to a rider friend who's still deciding.